11 former female members from Michigan State's swim and dive team filed a lawsuit last year against the school. And on Tuesday, a U.S. District Court judge ruled that MSU is not in compliance with Title IX, but that's not where the story ends. Title IX is the federal law that prohibits sexual discrimination in education. Although the judge ruled that MSU is in violation, they are not required to reinstate the program. Instead, the university has 60 days to come up with a plan to get into compliance. The swimming and diving team was cut back in October of 2020. The ruling partially grants the preliminary injunction that took place in July, where the plaintiffs requested that the program be reinstated. University spokesperson Dan Olson says the school is reviewing the judge's decision to determine appropriate next steps. 5 community-based organizations in Michigan received over $1.5 million in grants to help prevent child abuse in our state. The direct services grants were approved by the Children's Trust Michigan's Board of Directors. The group, formerly known as Children's Trust Fund, focuses on the prevention of child abuse and neglect. Programs from around the state applied for the direct services grants. 11 proposals were submitted and winners were selected through a competitive bid process. The grantees who were selected were Big Brothers Big Sisters of Washtenaw County, Family Assistance for Renaissance Men, Motherly Intercession, Tuscola Intermediate School District, and Child and Family Charities of Lansing. The money will be distributed over the course of 4 years. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel has joined 15 other attorneys general opposing Florida's so-called Don't Say Gay law. They filed a brief against the law, formerly known as Florida's Parental Rights in Education Act. The law prevents classroom instruction on gender identity or sexual orientation in kindergarten through 3rd grade and requires the state education agency to write new standard classroom instruction for 4th through 12th grade. Nessel is questioning the motivation of the bill, stating that it's meant to have a chilling effect on how educators do their jobs and may also violate the First Amendment rights of both students and teachers. She continued to say she will gladly join her colleagues on this brief and hopes it discourages other states like Michigan from considering similar legislation.